Hi, today we will be making this beautiful night sky scene bookmark. The first step is to cut out a watercolor sheet in the required size of bookmark that you like. You could take like 1.5 to 2 inches, and the length that you prefer, maybe 6 inches or 8 inches. And here I'm using washi tape to pin it down to my board. So the first step is to take a good amount of water and add it onto your entire bookmark. Use a good round brush or a nice mop brush. If you're wondering about what mop brush is, you can go look at my earlier videos where I have done a little bit of unboxing and review of it. So the first step is to take a little bit of yellow, start from the base, and you'll have to be a little quick in this because you don't want the water at the base to dry out. So that's the whole point of this. The second color is a very nice orange. I start from a little above and then I go down to mix it with my yellow. I'm taking now a little bit of red and adding some patches of it. You can see how it is spreading along towards the top all by itself because of the water. I'm now taking some blue and I'm going to be adding that above it, and you'll see how the blue mixes with the red in a lot of cases to create a very nice purple. So I've mixed two blues over here because I want a very dark effect at the top. Adding some pink because the blue and the red haven't mixed as much as I would have liked. So I'm just adding a little bit of pink on the blue to create a nice shade of purple. So now you can take the time right now to decide if you want to make your colors darker, because when this dries and the water evaporates, it'll be a little bit lighter as compared to what it is right now. So we'll leave this to dry and add our final details after that. So this is how it looks once it's dried, and at the base I'm going to add with black some mountain ranges, basically silhouette of anything that you feel like. You could draw this in pencil first and then add the details with your brush. It's completely up to you. Since it's black, you can also use your markers, fine liners to add these details. I'm adding some tiny details to make it seem like it's trees or bushes on top of the mountain. We'll now remove the masking tape and see how the bookmark looks. This is one of my favorite styles of creating bookmarks. Be careful if you're using washi tapes or your masking tape. I think it looks beautiful. You can add any kinds of details to it. And here is another sample in case you want to add some more colors or you want to cut out the edges to make it seem end to end.